Hello all. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the next trend in marketing, that is M business. It's nothing but mobile business. So what is this mobile business? Buying and selling of goods using smartphones, we call it as mobile business. Not only in buying and selling of goods and services, this M business, this mobile technology is utilized in various fields also. Say for example, we have M banking, that is mobile banking. We have M ticketing, that is mobile ticketing. Okay, each and every activity is carried out through using the mobile nowadays. Okay, using wireless technology, so that you call it as mobile business. Example, you have companies like Amazon and Flipkart. They have created a mobile based applications which is a part of a M business. So how the internet connectivity and internet content are created in the mobiles, in the sense it is using WAP, that is wireless application protocol. Using this wireless application protocol only, the internet content can be enabled in the mobiles. So how it is, in the sense I'll just tell you. So this WAP forum, that is wireless application protocol forum, is designed by different vendors like Nokia, Ericsson, Motorola and many others. They are striving hard for the developing applications over wireless communication networks. So keep in mind, if it is mobile, when we are using mobile for anything, it is wireless actually. It is a wireless technology. It is a wireless communication network. So before and all we had computers and all, isn't it? So those are connected to the wires. So whatever information, whatever things we have to do and whatever goods and services we have to purchase through net banking, we used to connect for the wires here. But mobiles are not like that. They are wireless in nature. Whatever and all the information we need, what and all the goods and services we are going to purchase, everything goes through the wireless communication, that is wireless technology. So this wireless application protocol, so what is this wireless application protocol? So this one is just for your information, that's it. Okay, so once when you're going to browse through the browser in your mobiles, so that browser it is going to this mobile devices ಅಲ್ಲಿ browse ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರೋ ಅದು ಎನ್ಕೋಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೇಟ್ವೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಕೋಡ್, ನಾವೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್. ಇನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೂ wireless application protocol only. So I have given here, the user opens the mini browser in a mobile device. He selects a website that he wants to view. The mobile device sends the URL encoded request via network to the WAP gateway using WAP protocol. Understood? So this is about the WAP, just a general information you can just keep in mind. M business is also called as next generation e-business. We know that each and everybody is having a mobile phone now. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ is also called as next generation e-business. And what are the advantages of this M business? So these things you can write on your own. Okay, advantages of M business. First one is convenience. It enables people to transact with others irrespective of their location and time. It is portable in nature. Wherever you want, you can carry your mobile phones. Understood? So it is very convenient in order to transact. There is no restriction of location or there is no restriction of time. Reachability we have. So reachability in the sense M business enables unrestricted reachability. So wherever we have internet connection, nowadays we can see that internet connection is everywhere nowadays, isn't it? They are trying to develop this networks and all. With the introduction of Jio, they are trying hard to locate the networks in rural sites also, very remote sites also. Henceforth we can say that the reachability is everywhere nowadays anta helbodu. So M business is very convenient. It can be reached. There is no restriction on the reachability. Next we have easy connectivity. The mobile devices can connect to each others and transact business as long as the network signal is available. So whenever the network signal is available, it can be easy connected to everybody, isn't it? So this is easy connectivity. Next is time. So we don't need any time for plugging. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. Understood. So now it is not like that. Mobile devices are not like that. Anything goes wireless. Understood. So this is time. The users of M business do not require plugging in anything as in case of personal computers. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಥ್ರೂ ವಯರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಟು ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್. ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Next we have personalization. So everybody will be having a individual mobile phones. So it is personal to them. Okay. So henceforth whatever they want they can purchase in their mobile phones, in their own mobile phones anta artha. Everybody will be having that personalization in case of mobile phones. Each mobile phone is dedicated to ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತೊಗೊತೀವ ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಈವನ್ ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ದೇ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಸಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ customers can be easily targeted. Even we can easily check out the goods and services which are available worldwide. Understood. Whereas in telecommunication it is not possible like that. So what is the exact amount of required persons that can be targeted through the mobile phones only? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಪೋರ್ಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Understood. You will get the messages in the way of this one. What to say? You will get the messages like you have an offer and discount. Okay, we are waiting for you. ಆ ರೀತಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಅವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಯು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಂತ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಮಿಂತ್ರಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So we have actually missed your companion, please come back, you have so many offers, so many discounts. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Understood. This is about the easy targeting. Next you have the quality of the services provided in the M business will be good when compared to telemarketing. Understood. So this is called as quality of the services. So you can note down the points clearly. If you have any doubt you can ask me, guys. Have a nice day.